So in this demonstration I will going to show you the importance of safety shoes and safety gloves. Like if you wore this, what is the benefits, right? And second thing, how the person is getting shock if properly earthing is not there. So this is the power socket in which I will have I'm having this phase, neutral and earth terminal. So normally when we connect any appliances to this power supply, right, so at that time we are going to connect phase, neutral, and in a 3-pin there is a third terminal which is earthing. So normally this earthing terminal is connected with the outer body, right? So when I am going to connect this socket with the power socket, right, this 3-pin with the power socket, at that time this terminal get in contact with this. Now this proper earthing is not there, then there is a more chances to get shock. Let me show you, demonstrate you. So let's say if I connect a phase, so let me connect first neutral. Okay, so I have already connected neutral, and if I connect phase, okay, so see, there is problem with the coil, and therefore this power is on the induction. Now person do not know that there is a problem inside this coil, and to use this induction he is directly going to touch the induction. And we all know that this legs of that human is open, and therefore when he is going to connect an induction, so this current will flow via this human being to the earth, and this person is going to feel electrical shock, right? So it is very dangerous. And what will happen if there is a proper earthing is there, right? So if properly this terminal, earth terminal, is properly grounded, and if there is a problem with this appliance, then what will happen? So in this case, see guys, this forward current is not going to flow from this person, but it is directly diverted through the earthing. Okay, so this is how this earthing safeguard the person, right? And if earthing is not there, so see, person is going to feel a shock, right? So earthing is very vital role, understand? Okay, now let me demonstrate you that if earthing is not there but person is following strictly the safety guidelines, like he is normally he is using safety shoes and all this. Now there is a problem with the appliance, and this person is wearing the safety shoes. So see, right, if person is wearing safety shoes, then what will happen, that these legs get isolated from the earth, and therefore this there is no path to the ground, right, or the path which is having higher insulation. So this current will not flow via this person, and this person is will be safe. So this is all about earthing, and therefore it is very important that you should properly follow these safety guidelines, right, that you properly wore these shoes and safety gloves while you are working with the electrical appliances. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.